downloading MalwareBytes from the internet. Open your favorite browser and navigate to MalwareBytes.com. In the upper right-hand corner, click the free download button. This will automatically start a download. Once the download has completed, please click the icon in order to start the install process. You will be prompted to choose where you are installing MalwareBytes. Please choose the personal computer icon. Next, click the Install button. When MalwareBytes has finished installing, please click the MalwareBytes icon in the taskbar. Next, click Get Started and then select Maybe Later. Click the Get Started to start your 14-day premium trial. Finally, hit the blue Scan button to begin the MalwareBytes scan of your system. This will run until completion. Upon completion of the MalwareBytes scan, you will be prompted with a screen to view your report or to click Done. If there are threats detected, we highly recommend that you review the threats in order to quarantine those that may be malicious.